Welcome to this video. I'm teacher Ma from Kangaroo Study, and for this video we're going to cover the PSLE past year paper solution, year 2024, paper 2, question 17. So let's have a look at this question. So a rectangular piece of paper with length 50 cm was folded along the dotted lines AC where BC is 1/4 of BD. Now here we have figure 1 before folding and figure 2 after folding. Now the paper is then cut into X and Y as shown in the figure 3, and the perimeter of Y is 60 cm longer than the perimeter of X. And asking for find the length of BD in figure 1 and find the area of Y. So this question is so long, and let's concise it and leave some space for writing the steps. So starting from the first one, find the length of BD. So what do we know about BD inside this figure? We can see that BD can be cut into BC and CD. So what should be the relation between BC and CD now? From the information, BC is 1/4 of the BD. So in that case, BC can be seen as 1, so CD can be seen as how much? 3. Very good, 3. And next, what length do we know? Is there any actual length we know? Yes, we know the paper was length 50 cm, so that means ED 50 cm and also AB 50 cm. But what else? What else? See, the paper is folding, so AB after folding became what length? AF. So what should be the length of AF? Yes, 50 centimeters. And we have another 50 centimeters. So how about the rest of the length? Rest of the length we actually don't know its value now, but we can still represent it. For example, we can represent BC by using 1 unit. So how to represent CD? Yes, since it has a relationship 1 to 3, so CD will be 3 units. So how about AE? AE will be total 4 units. And we are missing CF. So how we can represent CF? Yes, see, the paper is folding, so BC after folding became weight length, CF. And how about their length? Yes, they are the same, so C still it should be equal to 1 unit. And we have another CF, 1 unit. Now we have covered all the lengths inside the parameter, and what do we know between the parameters? Parameter of Y is 60 cm longer than the parameter of X. Longer. That means we are comparing these two parameters. And when we're comparing, what can we do about the lengths that they are the same? For example, ED and AB. Since they are the same, and when we're comparing them, they can be ignored. Yes, they can be ignored. And what else can we have? AF. Yes, they both have AF. So AF can be also ignored. And also FC. They both have FC, so FC can be also ignored. Now look at this figure. What's the difference part? From X, what do we have? 1 unit. And from Y, what do we have? We have rest of 7 units, 3 plus 4, 7 units. Now, the difference part what we have from Y, we have 7 units, and from X, we have 1 unit. So the difference in units is 6 units. And what do we know about the 6 units? 6 units just refers to the difference part, which refers to the 60 centimeter longer. So 6 unit equals to 60 centimeters. So 1 unit equals to 60 divided by 6, very simple, 10 centimeters. And next, we find out value of 1 unit. How about BD? How about BD? BD should be represented as 4 units. So it's very simple, it's just 10 times 4 gives us 40 centimeters. Now we have solved the question A. And moving on to the question B. Find the area of Y. So since we already find out the Y unit equals to 10, so let's just replace these values. For example, BC, CF, and all the rest, CD and AE, with the actual values. Now we know every single value over here, but we need to find the area of Y. Why? Is it a regular shape that we know before? No, it's not. So can we directly calculate it by using the values here? No, it seems not possible. But what else can we think of it? Sometimes we realize that we can find the total area of the rectangle and minus which part? We can get the rest Y shape. The X. Yes, we can minus the X. But inside the X, what do we have? We have 2 triangles. And what should be the relationship between these two triangles? They are the same because they are folding. So the area will be the same. So in that case, first find the area of the rectangle ABDE. And the calculation should be just length times width. So 50 times 40 give us 2000 centimeters squared. So how about the triangle ABC? Area of triangle ABC will be refers to 50 times 10 divided by 2 give us 250 centimeters squared. And now, how we can find area of Y? So area of Y will be total area minus how many triangles? 2 triangles, very good. So in that case, 2000 minus 250 times 2 and give us just 1500 centimeters squared. Now we have already solved this question. And let's do a summary for this question. So at the beginning, inside this figure, we have missing some information inside this figure. So first of all, for any figure, we need to label. We need to label the informations. And secondly, the paper is folding. So how about the length? For example, AB after folding become AF. So what should be the relationship between the folded length? Yes, they are the same. So in that case, after folding, the corresponding length is equal. And also this question gave us the difference in parameters. So that means we are comparing the parameters. So when comparing parameters, what can we do about the lengths they both have? Yes, we can ignore them. We can actually ignore the common lengths and find only what is the difference part. And by understanding this, that's all for this video. And also, if you want to know more about PSLE, you can try to connect me by scanning this QR code. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And see you soon in our next video.